We're living in the age of technology. It can be said that technology has made our life better and easier with products like computers, printers, mobile phones, the internet, and many others. Official works have become much easier with the blessings of computers and printers. Like other technology, printing technology has been evolving over the years, and by far the laser printing technology is the most advanced. Among the most prominent printer manufacturer, the name of Brother comes at the top of the list, which is why we've selected Brother HL-L2300D Monochrome laser printer for you today.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. Brother HL-L2300D is a monochrome laser printer that is suitable for home and office usage. It's designed to accomplish high speed in printing. It prints 26 standard A4 pages per minute. Officially, Brother recommends printing at a maximum of 2,000 pages per month to ensure the durability of the printer. The printer is compatible with Windows 10 operating system. It also works better in other previous versions of Windows. The printer comes with a manual slot and rear paper exit, which will let you print on different customized sizes of papers. It comes with a spacious paper tray that can hold 250 sheets of paper, which reduces the paper refilling time. The printer can print letter size and legal size papers, which is suitable for home and office use. Brother HL-L2300D has got automatic duplex printing, which can print both sides of the paper. The duplex function saves papers and helps in achieving printing efficiency. It's got an effective toner saving feature that helps the toner to deliver maximum possible print. The printer can be connected using a USB cable, and it doesn't have any wireless printing option. Another fact to consider that it doesn't come with a USB cable, which you would need to obtain as an accessory. The printer delivers high quality print with a resolution of 2400 by 600 dpi. It's time for us to investigate the user ratings on this model of printer and find out what customers are saying about it. The printer has got 4.2 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 2,817 user ratings on Amazon, which suggests that the printer is recommended by most of the users. Here are some real user comments. One user has given 5 stars and commented, "This thing prints awesome quality, better quality than my new inkjet Epson. Only used it a handful of times, but impressed so far. Setup was simple." Another user gave 5 stars and wrote, "It was easy for my daughter to set up and straightforward for me to operate, with excellent results. I've been using it daily for nearly a month with no problems." A few people didn't find the product useful. Among them, one person gave 1 star and wrote, "The unit needs a special cable which was not included. When you read the setup instructions, this cable requirement is not listed till the very end." That's all we have on Brother HL-L2300D Monochrome laser printer for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.